The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Meigs County, Gallia County, Southeastern Jackson County, Southeastern Vinton County, Northwestern Mason County in western West Virginia, Northern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Pomeroy to near Rio Grande, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Pleasant, Gallup Police, Pomeroy, Rio Grande, Racine, Rutland, Ravenswood, New Haven, Mason, Middleport, Chester, Syracuse, Hartford City, Henderson, Vinton, Wilkesville, Cheshire, Adamsville, Portland, and Lacken. This includes Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 146 and 154.